Boost your English. Exceptional adverbs that modify verbs. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're venturing into the fascinating world of adverbs, particularly focusing on adverbs that modify verbs. This subject might seem a bit tricky, but don't worry. We're going to break it down, understand the rules, and discuss some intriguing exceptions. To fully grasp how adverbs can modify verbs, let's first briefly recap what adverbs are. They are versatile words that can change or describe verbs, adjectives, or even other adverbs. They often tell us how, when, where, or to what extent an action is performed. For instance, consider the sentence, "She quickly ran to the store." Here, quickly is an adverb modifying the verb ran, telling us how she ran. As a rule of thumb, when adverbs modify verbs, they typically go after the verb and its object. For example, he reads books quietly. She walks her dog regularly. In these examples, quietly and regularly modify reads and walks, respectively, and are placed after the verb and the object. But English wouldn't be English without its exceptions, right? There are certain adverbs that do not follow the conventional rule and can be placed at different points in a sentence. They are mostly adverbs of frequency, like always, never, usually, etc. These adverbs are placed before the main verb but after auxiliary verbs. For example, she always arrives early. I have never seen that before. He is usually late for meetings. Notice how always, never, and usually are placed before arrives, seen, and late, the main verbs, but after have and is, the auxiliary verbs. Sometimes, for emphasis or stylistic reasons, adverbs can be placed at the beginning or end of a sentence. For example, slowly, he opened the door. Emphasis on how the action was performed. The sun rises in the east. Information about where the action happens. This placement is less common and often used in written English or in more formal or poetic contexts. That wraps up our discussion on adverbs that modify verbs. Remember, while there are rules for adverb placement, there are always exceptions. The more you read and practice, the more intuitive these placements will become. Don't be afraid to experiment with your sentences, and most importantly, keep enjoying your English language learning journey. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons.